Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are all well. I am also well. Today, we will learn how to change affirmative sentence into interrogative. In the last class, we learned affirmative into negative, but today we will discuss about how a statement is changed into interrogative. Dear students, we find different types of statement. Interrogative sentences start with two ways. One is with auxiliary verb, another is WH word. We find some statement with auxiliary verb, some statement without auxiliary verb. So at first, let's we see how affirmative sentence with auxiliary verb can be turned into interrogative. I am writing a sentence for you. Rita is watching TV. This is a statement with auxiliary verb, so we can change this statement into interrogative. Dear students, we have to remember that if a statement is affirmative, then question will be negative. If a statement is negative, then question will be affirmative. So this is affirmative and question will be negative, so we have to write is, then not, isn't Rita watching TV? Then note of interrogation. I have written is and then not, as our statement is affirmative, so we have to write not with auxiliary verb, then Rita for subject, then watching TV, then note of interrogation. This is the way. Follow the next example. Runa was picking flower. So we can write, this is also affirmative sentence, so if we want to make it interrogative, we have to write not with auxiliary verb, so we can write was not, that means wasn't. Aruna picking flower. Then note of interrogation. Okay, dear students, I am writing a statement with negative form. He was not gentle. This is a statement with negative form, so we have to left out not. We have to left out not. So we have to place was at the beginning, was, then subject he, was he gentle, then note of interrogation. Dear students, follow another example. Rakib was absent from the class. This is also an example of statement without negative. So our question will be negative. We can write was, then not, wasn't, Rakib absent from the class. Then note of interrogation. Dear learners, at first you have to place was, then not with auxiliary verb, wasn't, then Rakib for subject, then last part of the particular sentence, then note of interrogation. And if you follow this process, you will be able to make a statement to turn into interrogative in this way. Dear learners, now we will see how a statement without auxiliary verb can be converted into interrogative. I like ice cream. This is a statement, I like ice cream. So but if we notice the sentence, we see that this is a statement where auxiliary verb. So